Hello, and welcome to this quick guide. I'm Louise Marshall, Head of Customer Training at RosterElf. Today, I'll show you how to create an unscheduled shift in RosterElf Time Clock. How to create an unscheduled shift in RosterElf Time Clock. Tap the Add button at the top right. This lets you fill an emergency roster gap. Choose your site by tapping the arrow beside site. This ensures the shift is in the correct location. Select a position by tapping the arrow next to position. This makes sure staff know their role. Pick a staff member from the list. This ensures the right person is assigned. Set your start time and finish time. This ensures accurate shift details. Choose the manager field. This clarifies who oversees the shift. Enter your password when prompted. This confirms you have authorization. Add notes if needed. This helps explain any last-minute changes. Tap Save to finalize the shift. This adds it to your roster immediately. Thank you for watching, and remember, our support team is always here to help. Happy rostering!